Let's take a look on how you can find the RTSP URL for Reolink cameras. Here I have this Reolink camera, that's the RLC510WA. Let's say, for example, I want to have this camera working here with my Ugreen NAS, and I need to use the RTSP URL, okay? There are different ways to find the information. Here first I just come to my Reolink app and I find my camera, it's working. So I'm assuming that you have your camera working as well. And as you can see here on the settings, you can just look for the network information. And here on advanced server settings, you see that you have different settings for every single protocol, right? Here you see the RTSP protocol. It's using the port 554. And the camera is also working with the ONVIF protocol. But there is no information about the RTSP URL, okay? So to find this information, you can just make sure that you have the ONVIF working on the camera, which it is right now. And then you can use this software. This is the ODM. So you just can download this from Google. Come here and type ODM. Look for a link here to download the software. Let's say this one, for example. And you just download and install the ODM for Windows. Here I have this ODM already working. Let me just show here. It's just right here. There we go. Okay, that's the ODM version 2.2.250. And it's a free software. Okay, you can just download and use it. And here just insert the username and password, right? For your camera. And then the software is going to scan the network to find the camera, because here I have, for example, my laptop connected to a switch, and the switch is connected to this router, and the camera is also connected to the same switch, and they are part of the same network. So the laptop just scans and finds the camera in the network. You see here that I have a high vision camera, access camera, and different cameras that uses ONVIF, right? So here is the Reolink camera. So I can select the camera here and hit here live video. And there we go. I have live video from the camera, and here is the RTSP URL, which is pretty simple. You see here the port 554 for the RTSP, as we saw there before. And I can just copy here to test. I can open this VLC media player, which is also free software. You can just download from the internet. And come here to media, open network string, and you can just paste it here, okay? And then when you hit play, it's going to ask for the username and password for the camera. So I just enter here and hit OK. And it's going to connect to the camera using the RTSP protocol, and it's going to show the live video here. See, it works pretty fine. And if you just want to go directly without the username and the password, you can just come here, and again, let me just copy and paste here. The URL is already here, right? But I can just insert the username and password here. See that I have admin, and then here I can insert the password. I have just this temp pass for testing, and I insert here and then I have the IP address and the port for the RTSP protocol. Basically, that's the way to go. So I don't need to insert the username and password later. It goes directly. See, it's not asking for the username and password, and it's already working. That's the way I can use with the NAS. For example, I have this Ugreen NAS, the DXP4800 GT. That works with different cameras using the ONVIF protocol and also using the RTSP protocol. Basically, that's the way I can find the RTSP URL for a Reolink camera, right? It works for different models. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.